Good morning to everyone, students. In this class, we have to discuss the topic of Java. In this Java, we have to present the syntax of Java, and it introduces the Java API. API means Applet Procedure Interface. It is used to demonstrate how to build standalone Java program, Java applet which run within browser. For example, Netscape. Example programs are why Java is important. It's the current hot language. It's almost entirely object oriented. It has a vast library of predefined objects and operation. It's more platform independent. This makes it great for web programming. It's more secure. It isn't in C++. Applet servers and applications are an applet is designed to be embedded in a web page and run by a browser. Applet run in a sandbox with numerous restrictions. For example, they can't read files and then use the network. A servlet is designed to be run by a web server. An application is a conventional for creating many objects. For prepare the file foo.java using on editor. Invoke the compiler by javac by file name.java. This creates foo.class and it runs the Java interface by Java file name such as java.foo. And in the case of Java Virtual Machine, the class files generated by the compiler are not executable binaries. So Java combine compilation and interpretation. Instead, they contain bytecode to be executed by the Java Virtual Machine. Other languages have done this. For example, UCS D Pascal. Under the case of Hello World program, first it starts with public class Hello World, open brace, public static void main of string args of args means argument function. And in the case of system.out.println hello world, and it finishes with double quotation. Note that string is built in. Println is a member function for the system.out.class. And in the case of commands are almost like C++. This kind of command can span multiple lines. This kind is to the end of the line. This kind of command is a special Java document style command. And in the case of primitive data type or main data type or int, double, boolean, char also have byte, short, long and float. Boolean has values true and false. Declaration looks like C. For example, xy. Int count is equal to 0 and it finishes with int count is equal to infinity. And in the case of expression, assignment statements are mostly look like those in C. You can use equal to, plus equal to, star equal to, etc. And in the case of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and percentage. In the case of Java also has plus plus and minus minus. Java has boolean operator and double quotation. Java has comparison less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, etc. Java does not have pointers or pointer arithmetic. And in the last class, we have discussed the control statements are like C. If of x greater less than y smaller equal to x, if x less than y smaller equal to x and sum plus equal to x, but condition must be boolean, otherwise it is not in the statement. And in the case of control statement to switch off n plus 1 close bracket open brace case 0 dot dot m is equal to n minus 1 semicolon break. And in the case of case 3 m is equal to m star n break. And in the case of last default is equal to minus n break. And in the case of Java also introduced the try statement about which more or later. In the case of Java is in C. In C, almost everything is in function. In Java, almost everything is in class. There is often only one class per file. There must be only one public class. It must be the same as the Java program layout. A typical file looks like a Java program and many other files such as import java.awt.star, import java.utility.star, public class something or other open race object definition goes here and it finishes with close brace. This must be in a file named something or other dot java. This